We had a request from two institutions to modify their targets in the GRAD Act. One institution was LSU Law School, and the request was that they not modify them for this year, but beginning next year because of changes made by the Louisiana Supreme Court concerning bar passage rates, one of which affected the LSU Law School's GRAD Act targets. And inasmuch as that appeared to be an extraordinary circumstance, the Board of Regents did vote to allow them to modify their targets beginning next year. The other request came from LSU Eunice. They sought to modify their GRAD Act targets for this year, the existing year. The Board of Regents felt that there was not extraordinary circumstances attendant to that request and denied LSU Eunice its request to change its target dates, but assured them of our interest of working with them and with the system to ameliorate the impact of the loss of tuition revenues and the loss of the 15% of the state-generated funds for that school.
What is the goal of the GRAD Act? What is it designed to accomplish?
It's designed to drive higher performance by rewarding the meeting of certain targets set by the institutions negotiated with the Board of Regents. For example, to improve their graduation rates, to improve their retention from the first to the second year or first to third year, all of which indicates greater outcomes for our students, greater outcomes for our citizens, the taxpayers, and a more productive higher education system. So the GRAD Act has at its heart performance, and therefore we felt like because of the importance of that concept that performance cannot be set aside simply in the absence of extraordinary circumstances, and that was the action taken today.
What will the GRAD Act mean to Louisiana maybe 10 years from now?
Hopefully by 10 years from now, or maybe even 10 months from now, it will focus the attention of our institutions on increasing and watching very carefully their performance. Are they doing those things that are expected of them by their systems and by the Board of Regents and by the taxpayers? The expectation is that there is a new emphasis on productivity and efficiencies, and that we cannot do everything for everybody. We have to use the money that's available in the most efficient way, and we have to hold the systems and the schools in the state accountable to obtain those GRAD Act objectives.